What's good, YouTube? We are back on another episode of How You Met Your Favorite DIY Detailer. And in today's video, we're going to be working with one product, and it is supposed to be a miracle worker. And I'm going to show you guys how you can take just about a double shot of this product will clean your car with using minimal water and minimal effort. So let's get right into it. Alright, so today's showcase we will be going over Rinseless Washed from DIY Detail here. And in theory, if done correctly, this can be used minimally to clean your car. Whether it's severely dirty, lightly dirty, if you need to see the quick wash, this can make it happen in a pretty simple process. The one thing I will say, it does kind of go against traditional washing, so you have to remind yourself in a sense to kind of don't rinse your car, or don't rinse your car as much, because this is rinseless, as in less rinsing throughout the process. So with that, we will be using the DIY Legacy sponge and a DIY Detail drying towel. I've already prepared 25 ounces of water here that will go into here, like so. 25 ounces of water. All right, so that's in there. And then all I do is put about an ounce of this, so 2 capfuls into here. And then I will fill up my 4-gallon bucket and put about 4 ounces of solution or product in that bucket with the sponge, and from there we get the party started. But first, I gotta figure out what to wash. The one thing I will say, so this product, I'm not gonna wash this because I don't feel like moving it, but this is something that will definitely be used a lot on the Targa, because right now I can't roll my driver's side window up because it fell off the track. So I can use a pump action sprayer and the rinseless wash, spray the panels, and then wipe it with the sponge and the bucket system, and essentially clean the car without having to foam it or anything like that, creating this whole mess. And also, if you live like in the desert where there's water restrictions, or if you live in places where it's super cold right about now, this is also a good alternative, because you can just fill your bucket up in the house with warm water and use 4 ounces of this, and you can begin to pretty much wash your car. If you have a sprayer as well, pump sprayer, you can use as well. But today's candidate, we will be washing the 997. Since you guys saw me wash that in my intro video, let's go ahead and get this bad boy cleaned up. It is slightly dirty, but it is dirty, and it's freshly painted, maybe about a month or so ago. So, I am curious and also cautious as to use products that have a lot of lubrication, so that I don't introduce any excess scratches. There are some light scratches on here just from coming out of the paint booth and that compound prep, but other than that, it is dirty. It's got some dirt on there, some dust. The wheels are dirty, so essentially I'm going to be cleaning all of that with the rinseless wash system. So I'm excited. I haven't used it yet, honestly, so we're going to experience it for the first time together, and it should be fun. So today's candidate will be Noir, the 997, as you can see on the license plate as well, named after my favorite wine, Pinot Noir. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. All right, just getting all of my affairs in order. So yeah, excited. New products. It's crazy. I was actually even apprehensive about using the sponge. I haven't used a sponge on a car wash in a long time, but I'm all about learning and unlearning and relearning to your life. So fill this up to about 4 gallons. Got my grit card in there. Alright, so boom, rinseless wash going in. Alrighty, so I already got my 1 ounce of solution in my 25 millimeter thing of water. Alright, so now I'm going POV kind of style. So things to note about the solution in the foam cannon. So it's not going to be a super foamy, sudsy consistency on here. It's just going to be like a light film that's going to kind of slide, so it has some slipperage to it, so that it pulls the dirt off of the paint, as opposed to just kind of clinging on and just holding there like most foams do. So if you like foam, you're not gonna like this, but it's probably gonna work better than the foam. So let's get to it. I am going to let that do its thing for a bit. Then you take your let that do its thing. Let me start over here. Ooh, that is slippery. I can see some dirt on there, that's for sure. dirt. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is put this here. I'm gonna take a black, few of these. I'm gonna use these to do the wheels. Or actually, I did one better. Take a wheel brush. DIY wheel brush. Use this for the wheels. Alrighty, so now take this is what I use to dry my wheels. It's a different towel. That way I don't wash or use the wrong towel. The body versus the wheels. All right, and there you have it, folks. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, DIY detail, rinseless wash, works fantastic. Super easy to use. Again, 4 ounces to, or 2 ounces to 4 gallons of water, 1 ounce to 25 ounces in your foam cannon, and you can use a sponge, drying towel. And I mean, yeah, it's pretty amazing product. I like it a lot. We'll be adding this to my arsenal and to my routine of washing cars, because I like to wash my cars and keep them clean for car shows, cars and coffee, photo shoots, blah blah blah, you name it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. What do you want to see more of? Which cars you want to see more of? Here for you guys. So again, this is your favorite unenthusiastic car enthusiast with another collaboration with DIY Detail. Thank you again, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Keep being great. Peace.